Hey, welcome back to another video of eTix. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Character AI account. First of all, visit the Character AI website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to character.ai. Now, if you get a prompt like this, you can simply continue with Google or Apple, or you can also use your own email address. Now click on Login button. After that, type in your email address here and click on Continue. You will get a verification link sent to your email address. Open your email address and you will get a button and a login link. Simply click on that button and open the login link in the new window. As you can see that I have been logged into my account. So that is how you can log into your Character AI account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.